Hey guys, today I'm back with another video. Um, I'm making it because um, my dad's mother was in the hospital, and for my dad, I had to make a video for her. So I'm just gonna be building uh, a birdhouse. Okay, if I can find my world. Yeah. What's okay? Okay. Um. Mm, Sorry, guys. Okay, let's begin. Okay, what we need is wood logs, just call them logs, planks, and stairs. And they all need to be the same type of wood, or else it won't work. Sorry. I'm trying to find a block that looks like bird food. Well, bird food looks yellow actually, and a little bit like, yeah, that color. Okay. Let's build it over here where there's some space. Okay. Like that. You build, wait, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and just keep on doing it. Okay, now you just fill this in with wood. Okay, so now you just make a little stingy for the bird to hop in or get in. Like this. And now just basically, wait, just fill it up. Well, I'm just gonna make a container, I would say, for the food. Just pop some food in. Okay, like that. And move on. Let's just fill this with wood just for fun. We can make the container like this. Yeah. Okay, then just fill this up. Fill that up like this. Oh yeah, and you need glass pane. Okay. Yeah. And we fill this. Wait. No, this with glass panes. Yeah, the first block. This. You fill the top with that. We don't even need to do that. You could just leave it like this. There. That looks better. Okay. Now do what you think you should do. Put the steps. dun. Okay, look, this. And like that. Last part, fill this in with steps. Almost forgot. Torches. Some windows. Well, yeah. There. Okay, now this all can go away. Okay, so this is what it will look like. Sort of, at least. Maybe make like a couple trees, yeah. That would look beautiful. Bone meal. This. Fill that. Fill this. Fill this. Fill that. Oh my god, that took long. Oh, you can even plant. Okay. Like this. Oh my god. That was pretty high. Okay. Maybe. Now this looks okay. Okay, just a little review of what it looks like. You don't have to put the trees there, but it's just for decoration. I'll just go slow, and maybe you can pause it to make sure that you did it right. And that's food. Maybe we can move this actually. Like this. Okay. So this is what it looks like, guys. Bye. See you in the next video.